still hangs in the smoke of this old room. Half a glass of wine, remembering your perfume.
This is MiniMax Music 3, and it's a serious swing at full song generation. Feed it lyrics and a music description, and it produces complete, structurally coherent songs up to 5 minutes long, with expressive vocals, evolving arrangements, and stable audio quality that holds up across the whole track. It outputs 32 kHz 16-bit stereo wave, handles proper song structure like intro, verse, pre-chorus, chorus, bridge, instrumental, break, outro, and gives you fine-grained control through structured captions covering genre, BPM key, vocal timbre, instrumentation, and even section level arrangement. This is what we are going to install in this video on this Ubuntu system, where I have the GPU card NVIDIA RTX 6000 with 48 GB of VRAM. If you are looking to rent a GPU on very good price, you can find the link to Mass Compute in video's description with a discount coupon code of 50%. This is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. Also, recently I have started this free weekly AI newsletter which you can subscribe at fahadmirza.substack.com. Let me take you back to the terminal. Okay, the conda is not there, that doesn't really matter, it is optional. I think I already deleted that. Next thing which you would need to do is to install diffuser, because that is what we are going to do. I already have it installed, but use this command in order to get it installed. Then they have shared this script which you can use. I have just put in a Gradio interface on top of it. So this is what it looks like. After the installation of diffuser and torch audio, all you need to do is to run this script. So let me take you back and run that script, which is going to first download the model. And you can see that the model is now being downloaded. Gradio demo is running. Now let's access it in the browser. And this is what it looks like in the browser. Let me give it a prompt. And you know what, before I even run it, let me quickly show you the VRAM consumption without any other plot. So this is NV top. It is consuming just over 27 gig of VRAM. So not bad really. Hopefully its quality is good. So let's go back to our browser and run this. So I have just clicked on generate. It is writing the lyrics and structured prompt with Minimax M3. So let's wait for it to come back, and you can see that I have specified the genre as acoustic pop, C major, some warm and building, and few other tidbits. At the moment, I am in this simple one. Okay, so it says that it has errored out. I think maybe the Docker container crashed, because let me check what happened. Maybe we will check it out together. Let's go back to the terminal. Yes, so it is just some network connectivity, because I'm connecting to that mass compute server through my Docker container. So my container has crashed. Let me just simply restart it. And this time it is running fine. Let's wait for it to finish. And now let me play that song for you.
Lying on the porch, lights soft and low, letting all the quiet let me go. Tomorrow's in the green, in the air, breathing in the cold, I don't care. Hold me now, the world is wide, lifted by the swell we rise. All the rooms are open, all the doors. Carry me, I'm home on the floor.
So it has written its own lyrics and then generated the music plus these vocals and everything just on the basis of this text prompt. There is also this studio mode. Let me open it for you. So you can see that you can just describe your lyrics, and then it is going to create all the verses, chorus which I described earlier. it is going to give you the structured prompt where you can also define the vocal detail, like male or female, breathy tenor, and all that stuff, whatever is required, and some arrangement and a lot of other things which you can define here, like title and few others, and then you can simply go and generate. Now, I'm not much aware of Western music, so I will take your advice. What do you think about the quality of this simple song which we have generated? Let me try one more. From the model card, I'm not entirely sure if it is multilingual. So we are testing this now on Bollywood item song. As you can see, I have just generated this sort of lyrics. I'm not sure if they are correct or not, but I have tried. So I'm using the studio mode, which gives you complete control over global metadata. And then I have asked it to just generate this metadata like vocal and all that. Maybe I will try to give it a bit more vocal details here. And this is the instrument life cycle. At the moment, it is all instrumentation without any vocal. Let me, sorry, there are vocals, but let's see how exactly it performs. I haven't given it any instructions around vocal.
आजा आजा दिल मेरा सुन रात की रानी मैं हूँ यहाँ नाचूंगी मैं हर तरफ आंखों में काजल होठों पे रंग दुनिया भूले मेरी धुन धड़कम धड़का नचले नचले दिल का डो बजा शोर मचा रंग उड़ा आजा मेरे साथ झुमके झनके पायल बोले इश्क का मौसम आया बिजली सी गिरी आग सी जली दिल का नशा
Sorry, I can't take it anymore. I mean, if you have been listening to Nadeem Shravan, Pritam, and A.R. Rahman, this is total rubbish. Um, Look, let me show you the architectural diagram first. So the quality of things other than English is totally, you can see that totally off. I'm not even sure about the English quality because this space has also grown a lot. But if you look at the architecture, the trick which they are trying to use is hierarchical autoregressive design that splits the job into a global LLM 8 billion initialized from Coin 38 billion predicts the first RVQ codebook frame by frame, which owns the song's long range semantic and structural progression as it seems. A smaller local LLM, around just 0.6 billion, again I think Quen, fills in the remaining acoustic codebooks within each frame, restoring fine grained detail. So instead of decoding from discrete tokens alone, the synthesis path fuses the continuous hidden states of both models, preserving richer information for vocal articulation and instrumental texture before handing off to synthesis. An 8-layer RVQ tokenizer underpins training. Also, they are using flow matching. Flow matching is simply a generative technique that learns to transform noise into target audio latent by following a smooth, continuous path. At the top, you can check out the flow variational autoencoder, which is which they have adopted from MiniMax speech, retrained for music, whose decoder turns that latent into the final stereo waveform. Finally, let me give this model a saving chance. I'm asking it to generate me a Cumbia song, which is a traditional Latin American dance music genre originating from Colombia, which blends indigenous African and Spanish influences into an irresistible rhythmic groove. Simply amazing and lovely. If you haven't heard it actual, go check something out. So let's see if it has done good or not. Let me play this.
Feel the rhythm, night is young. Come and dance, we'll have fun. Gear
a shaking accordion plays, moving to the cumbia all day. Bass is thumping, brass will call. Get ready now, we'll give it all. Feel the fire, take my hand. We're gonna dance across the land. Dance to the cumbia sound. Feel the joy, spin around. Let the music take you high. This is our night, never say goodbye. Lights are glowing, crowd is
Okay, I was expecting something Latin American, maybe Spanish fusion, something really heartwarming. This is far from it, but of course, I'm not from that part of world. If you are from Colombia or Latin America, please let me know what do you think. I didn't get that feeling when actually listened to a Colombian song. So, and by the way, if you are from that part of the world, please suggest me some Colombian songs, actual one, the real ones, or music, something in the comment. I will be very very grateful. That's it. Not an impressive model at all. Um, Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Thank you for all the support.